Okay, y'all, so let's look in the garden today and see what we got going on. We need to do some watering, but we'll do that afterwards. So, 3 raised beds. This one we have some Leia sweet peppers from Ukraine. These are coming on, starting to turn some colors. And some tomato plants here. I got the blight pretty bad, but I have gotten some nice tomatoes and a few more coming. In the far end there, some Egyptian walking onions that we've been eating on. This bed, there's a few cucumber plants that really struggled with getting eaten by the deer this spring 2 or 3 times, so I had to put up a little temporary fence, and that has allowed me to get some cucumbers. These are a lunchbox hybrid cucumber that's really delicious. And these are some white currant tomatoes. See if we can find some ripe ones in there. There we go. Those are really good to eat. And then over here, there's another sweet pepper plant hiding in there if you can see it. And then the big boy, the Shiri Dark Tobacco, has gone to flower and seed. The hummingbirds like it. And I'm going to have a lot of tobacco seed. And this is a bed of pollinated flowers. So we've got zinnia, cosmos, marigolds. There was some hyssop in there. There's mallow. Here's some of the mallow. And some other stuff, some calendula in here. I think that's some calendula right there. So the hummingbirds and all the bees and such, butterflies, really love this bed. So I'll be doing this more in the future. But yeah, I picked some cucumbers today. There's a few little ones in there. All right, well, I'm gonna get to watering here. And I will see y'all next video. Y'all come on back.